In this video, we learn how to fix Google Chrome download failed error, and you will see the message download failed, reason blocked. So for fixing this error, go to start, and now in here search inet cpl.cpl and open it. In here select security. Now in here click on custom level. Scroll down, go to launching application and unsafe files, and in here select prompt recommended and click on OK. Now try to download. I hope by this easy method you can download any file by Google Chrome and you will not face any error. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.